जी शुक्रिया जावेद जुड़ने के लिए. And now, while Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has said that the US negotiating team is already in India since yesterday and continuous progress is being made in the trade talks. He added that India and the United States are moving ahead towards a bilateral trade agreement. And now, of course, I have ours.
गत दिनों में कई सारे देशों के मंत्रियों का भारत की तरफ आना हुआ. मेरे भी कई दौरे रहे अलग अलग देशों में, क्योंकि आज पूरा विश्व देख रहा है कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के निर्णायक नेतृत्व के साथ साथ एक मजबूत लोकतंत्र, 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों का कौशल्य, 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों का युवा देश जो ऊर्जा के साथ भी बढ़ा है, आशा अपेक्षा के साथ देश में डिमांड भी क्रिएट कर रहा है और विश्व की सबसे तेज गति से बढ़ती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था भारत आज विश्व का आकर्षण का केंद्र बनी है. व्यापार हो, निवेश हो, टैलेंट हो. आखिर 24 लाख हमारे साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी, मैथमेटिक्स, इंजीनियरिंग के ग्रेजुएट्स हर साल सिर्फ भारत ही बना सकते हैं.
I have Arzu Seth joining me with more details. Arzu, what more can you tell us?
Well, definitely, the Union Minister Piyush Goyal has given the statement, and he informed that a team from the USA has been in India since Tuesday, and we are moving forward for a free trade agreement, and also there are a lot of possibilities. Both sides are committed to early conclusion of the India-US FTA, and also he informed that India and Israel have signed a chief negotiator and negotiating team. We expect first phase of free trade agreement between India and Israel to be signed soon. And in the last few days, we held a good meetings with the European Commissioner for Trade and Economic Security, and now also USA team has been in India since Tuesday, and we are moving forward towards a free trade agreement. Yes.
All right, Arzu, stay on with me. Now, in one of the largest global tech investment flows into India, American tech giant Amazon has committed a whopping $35 billion for its